Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout to the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today we're gonna discuss stock market index. A stock market index is a statistical instrument that combines a number of different stocks, shares, or indices to represent overall market or sector results. The components of a composite index are usually combined in a structured way to make vast volumes of data easy to understand. Bakit nga ba nag-exist ang mga stock market indices? Unang-una, this gives the investor a general idea of how a stock market is doing on any given day. With that, let's see kung ano yung examples ng mga market indices. Yung una dyan is Nasdaq Composite, we have S&P 500, and Dow Jones Industrial Average. These indices are all coming from the US stock market. Itong mga market indices na ito are a group of stocks or companies that are picked based on their prices or based on their market capitalization. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, kapag newbie ka pa lang sa investing and hindi mo alam kung ano yung bibilhin mo, you can always buy market indices. Essentially, you're just betting on the US market. And of course, hindi naman lahat ng mga investors is sa indices lang nag-i-invest. So, kung isa kang investor and you're picking your own stocks, essentially, the goal of a well-diversified portfolio is to outperform the main composite indices. And syempre, hindi magpapahuli yung Philippines dyan, no? Yung composite index ng Philippine stock market is called PSEi or Philippine Stock Market Index. PSEi was formerly called as PSEx, so this is a fixed basket of 30 companies or 30 stocks na listed sa PSE. They are carefully selected to represent the general movement of the stock market. For example, nasa 6,700 points yung PSEi currently. Back in March 2020, nung nag-start yung lockdown because of COVID, bumagsak yung PSEi down to 4,000 points. So, diba, dun pa lang, alam mo na bagsak yung stock market ng Philippines. And of course, now, medyo nakaka-recover na siya. Question, paano ba mo-convert yung isang normal common stock na maging member ng PSEi? Unang-una, dapat yung company ay may free float level na at least 12%. Second one, the company must rank among the top 25% in terms of median daily value in 9 out of the 12-month period na i-review ito. So, yung malaking factor dyan is yung daily trading volume ng isang stock. And then third, dapat it ranks among the top 30 qualified companies based on the full market capitalization. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa investing and hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung bibilin mo, pwede ka mag-invest sa PSEi through a mutual fund or an ETF. Unang option mo is galing kay Sun Life, yung Prosperity Philippine Stock Index Fund. Second one is galing kay ALFM Mutual Funds, yung kanilang Philippine Stock Index Fund. And meron din kay BPI Asset Management and Trust Corporation, yung kanilang BPI Invest Philippine Equity Index Fund. Another option is Philequity PSE Index Fund Incorporated. Last but not the least is yung First Metro Philippine Equity Exchange Traded Fund Incorporated. Ito lang yung nag-iisang nakita ko na ETF na available dito sa Philippines using PSEi. If you wanna know more about these investment vehicles, lahat ng mga links yan is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. Ito lahat yung sources natin for today's episode. Check out nyo na lang yung mga links yan sa description sa baba. I hope you learned a thing or two from today's episode. I'll see you all on the next one. Always remember, be Peso Smart.